How many green beans can you get out of these 2 raised beds? Stick around.
Oh, hey, welcome home.
Man, oh man, what a hot day out here in the garden. Here in zone 7A, it's July the 2nd. High today is gonna be 95. Today, I'm going to get a second harvest of some bush beans. I'm gonna pull those plants up and replant. Of course, the bush beans, those are a determinate plant. Most of the time you'll get all your harvest at once. Now, we had a couple of scragglers that hadn't filled in yet, so we were able to get 2 harvests out. But we're gonna pull those up today and plant some more Hoss bush beans. One bed is complete. And now bed number 2 is complete with another good harvest. Pretty pleased with that right there. That right there will make some good eatings this winter. Well guys, I must say I'm pretty pleased with that harvest. Like I said, that was the second time that we had picked from those bush beans. The first one a couple of weeks ago, and those that we picked today still hadn't filled out. So got about the same the first time, so I'm definitely pleased with that. Those Hoss seeds are the bomb. Of course, we used Hoss the first time and used Hoss this time, so usually you get pretty much almost 100% germination rate there. So love my Hoss seeds. Guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share us with all your friends, and we'll see you next time.